guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a get ready with me video. It's a 0 to 100 kind of look. So where I go just out of the shower and then this is the finished look. So don't forget to subscribe and let's get into it. Okay, so I want to start out by using this Garnier Skin Active Pure Charcoal Mask. Now this is a sheet mask, ultra hydrating pore refining mask, enriched with black algae. Oh, I have to leave it on for 15 minutes. Damn. So this just says unfold the mask, apply the black tissue to thoroughly cleanse skin. My skin is so thoroughly cleansed right now. Adjust the mask to the contours of the face, leave for 15 minutes while you sit back and relax. Remove the mask, gently massage the excess forming into the skin or remove with a clean cotton pad. Oh my god, it's so gooey. Here we go. Wow. I feel like it's just gonna kind of break. I don't know why I wanted to do this on camera. Okay, here we go, guys. Oh, it's cool. It's very cold. Okay, I feel like that is adjusted. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back and show you the results. My friend Jacob tried this the other day and he said it was really good, so we'll see. Okay, so I have been sitting here for 15 minutes with this mask on. I'm going to take it off. It's kind of like a little bit stanky. So then it says massage. There's a lot of liquid left on my face. I'm not gonna be able to massage it in because there's just like so much, like my face is so wet. My face is very, very cool, but I am going to actually wipe off the rest with a cotton pad as it suggests. I can see that that's left my skin super glowy, like really, really glowy. It actually looks really good. I don't know about the pores. Yeah, that's interesting. It looks like it has refined my pores. That's pretty good. I wouldn't say it's done anything about my fine lines, but it looks like my pores around my nose look a little bit better. I'll show you a before and after. Now onto my skincare. I have been using the Algenist products. So I've been using the Elevate Advanced Lift Contouring Cream. So I've been using this cream on a daily basis. It is, you know, like really good for anti-aging. I can't say I've noticed like a huge, like a dramatic difference in my skin, but my skin overall, I don't know, it responds well to it, I guess. Like it doesn't break me out. Yeah, it's nice. And it feels nice on my skin too. And then I've been using the Elevate Eye Cream as well. So I just take like a little bit and then I just really gently pop it on underneath my eyes. And that is how I usually prep my skin for the day. Like, I mean, in the shower I do like a scrub as well. But yeah, that's starting off. I don't usually do a mask first thing in the morning. If anything, I do mask at night, but I thought I'd just throw one in and try out this new mask in the video just to see how it was. All right, onto makeup. Taking my Magic Lumi primer from L'Oreal. Now I do have fair skin at the minute, so I really love to use a illuminating primer when I have fair skin. And I say this in all of my videos where I have fair skin, but it just makes it look so much better, I feel, for me. So yeah, I don't have any fake tan on at the minute. The other day I used the L'Oreal Pro Glow in 201 and I thought it was a little bit pale. So I'm gonna mix in a tiny bit of 202. See, that's 201. I'm just gonna dot this around. And then I'm using a little bit of 202. I feel like I need a bit more coverage. Just taking some Bobbi Brown corrector in Light Bisque. Now I did have an even more lighter color Tarte Shape Tape, but I don't know where it's gone. So I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair. Taking a little bit concealer on the little blemishes or scarring that I have. Taking my RCMA No Color powder and setting my under eye area. I'm taking the Australis Fresh and Flawless powder in light beige. I'm going to set the rest of that foundation. I'm going to take the NYX Eyebrow Cake powder for my brows today. Just taking the lighter color, filling in the front of the brow. Now this color is in brunette. And then taking the darker color, pressing it in there. I'm just gonna get rid of that baking. Next up, I'm taking the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base and just blending that out with my fingers and then going in to set it with some loose translucent powder. I have this really cute little package from Mecca. Okay, so you open it up. There's an eyeshadow palette there, but look at this. It's so cool. So this is their Wanted eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm going to take 7 Heaven. I've never really used NARS eyeshadows before. Then I'm taking Shadow Heal and just gonna pop that over the top, just through the crease there. Concentrate on the outer V. Then I'm taking the color Coconut Grow. Just gonna focus that on, ooh, that's very dark. Oof, oh girl. Is that black? I kind of thought it was dark brown in the pan. I wasn't prepared for a black. Gonna lightly bring that through the crease. I think I want to do a cut crease today or attempt one. It honestly looks brown unless it's like such a dark brown that it looks black, but it looks black on the eyes. Just taking some of that second shade, trying to blend that out. Taking some Shape Tape, I'm going to carve out that crease. I'm gonna pick up Shooting Star. Oh no, that's already gone everywhere. See, this is why I say attempt a cut crease. That color though, oh, so beautiful. I'm gonna do the other side now. So obviously I'm just doing a half cut crease. I should have said that at the start, sorry. I'm gonna blend that in. I'm gonna take this NYX Silver Crystal Liner. I like. I'm going to take Temptress on the lower lash line. This might be a bad idea. Okay, let's go for something safe. I'll take Shadow Heal on the lower lash line. And then taking that black brown color, I'm gonna press that in. Gonna take some black on the waterline up here. And then just doing a thin line of liner over the top on the lash line. Using the Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Okay, so I'm using Hoola Light for the first time. I've never actually used this before. It can be quite difficult getting like bronzers and contours for fair skin, but this is actually quite nice. Yeah, it's really nice actually. This is so old, but this is NYX Blush in Taupe, and this is like a really good contouring shade. The packaging has changed. Mine is just like super old, like I got it when I first started YouTube kind of thing. Going to use this Gorgeous Cosmetics blush in Rose Glow. Oh, I hope I didn't put too much on then. For my highlight, I'm going to use the Cully Bybel Deluxe Edition, and I'm going to take this white highlight here. I think it's going to be too much though. Not too much at all. It's Like, where is it? There we go. I'm gonna take some on my inner corner. I take this color here, my brow bone. This palette is just like way too big. It's a little bit unnecessary. I wish it were smaller because then I'd probably use it more. Going to use some lashes from Became Beauty. These are the Stephanie. I've got this brand new NARS Summer Fire. So it's just like a liquid lipstick. Now I need to sort this out. Okay, I've got some dry shampoo. This one smells quite nice. This is Toni & Guy. I have had my hair up, so I'm just gonna get rid of the creases in up the top and straighten these little frizzy bits. Okay, so I've been doing this little trick lately. Most of you probably know about this. Just going to tie my hair up, and then all I'm going to do is grab sections of my hair and curl them. I have been so lazy with curling my hair lately. I'm sure you guys have noticed in most of my hair, I mean in most of my videos, my hair is just straight, and it's just because I like simply just can't be bothered curling it all because I have a significant amount more of hair that I used to have. But this makes it so easy. My hairdresser actually taught me this, or gave me the idea. And if you want to just like hold it there. Oh, that one's kind of stuffed up a bit because I wasn't paying attention. I think like the last kind of video that I did like this was probably when I was fair skinned as well. It's funny. And just make sure I've got it all curled. And then you just take it down. Just make sure your part is where you want it. And then I just curl some bits around my face a little bit more. And on this side. But this process is so much easier than like curling all of my hair and pinning it up and, you know, doing all that. You just want to curl like the bits around your face. And then like the rest is like pretty much done. If you want to take a few extra like longer strands, like these ones underneath here, like see how that one's hardly curled? I've got some of this dry defining spray, like just anything, I don't know. I'm just gonna tease like the top section. So just hairspray it and then back comb it. And then like just these bits up here. Okay, so then you have a really big mess. That's how much I need to tease my hair for it to stay up, because it just doesn't stay up. And I'm just gonna brush it out. Make it nice and smooth. I've got some Kmart earrings to complete the look. How cute are these? And this is my completed look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, 0 to 100. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a really great day and I'll see you next time. Bye.